on Maria Queenie Lu P. Barranco to give her testimonial.
Good afternoon, everyone. Well, receiving the Best and Related Learning Experience Award today is not just a personal achievement. It is a story of sacrifice, strength, and faith. Balancing night shifts at work, attending school during the day, and being a mother to 3 amazing children has been the most challenging chapter of my life. There were nights I went to work without enough rest. Mornings and afternoons I walked into the class fighting sleep, and moments I questioned if I could really keep going. But every time I look at my children, I was reminded why I started this journey. It is to give them a better future and to show them that no dream is too big if you're willing to work for it. I want to thank my mentor, Mom Rosalinda Hibalias, for her patience, guidance, and understanding, especially when my schedule and responsibilities felt overwhelming. To my clinical instructor, Sir Alan Sabala, who guided me, shared his knowledge, and patiently corrected me when I made mistakes. Mom Rose and Sir Alan, you have not only taught me skills, but also instilled in me the values and professionalism I will carry in my future career. To my classmates and friends, thank you for the teamwork, laughter, and encouragement. We faced the same challenges, but we lifted each other up and grew together. Most especially to my friends Ainalyn, Debbie, Krishli, and Sydney for the shared struggles and the little moments of joy that made the hard days lighter. To John Ray, AJ, and Manang Maricris, thank you for always having my back during the NC2 days. To Tonton for pursuing me to go back to school, thank you. And to Melissa, both of you are my first group of friends when I entered the St. Augustine School of Nursing. I sincerely thank you all. If it weren't for my friend Veronica and Ryan, they encouraged me. I wouldn't probably taken this course. They believed in me when I doubted myself. And that gave me the push I needed to start. I'm really grateful because this journey has been so meaningful for me, and it all began with their support. Most especially to my family, my kids, Prince, King, and Empress, who are my greatest inspiration, the love of my life, and those who helped me care for them when I couldn't be there. My beloved Lola, Lourdes, and my siblings Wendy and